T-minus 30 seconds.
Standing by now for ignition of the main engines at T-minus 3 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds. Securing, liquid oxygen securing has started. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket with Dragon, continuing the resupply chain to the International Space Station.
Towers.
Pitch kick is in.
OSMGC proceeds at section 10, knot 63.
Stage 1 propulsion at nominal.
F9 power, telemetry now.
T plus 60 seconds, altitude 5.5 kilometers, speed 250 meters per second, downrange distance 0.9 kilometers. Stage 1 propulsion continues to perform nominally. Vehicle supersonic and has reached maximum aerodynamic pressure.
F9 power and telemetry still nominal.
Landing platform has received acquisition signal. MVAC has begun chill. Altitude 35 kilometers, speed 1 kilometer per second, downrange distance 14.5 kilometers. T plus 2 minutes 30 seconds. Altitude 58 kilometers, speed 1.8 kilometers per second, downrange distance 33 kilometers. And we have MECO 1.
Stage separation confirmed.